When you download a free app, you probably check the reviews, glance at the rating, tap install. You assume the worst thing that can happen is that the app is bad. You are wrong. 3 categories of apps sitting on your phone right now are the exact ones former officials have repeatedly warned about. Not because they crash, not because they drain your battery, because they are quietly handing your data to people you will never meet. And you probably have at least one of them open today. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. I'm going to show you the 3 app categories, why they're dangerous, and the one setting at the end you need to check on every app on your phone before you go to bed tonight. Grab your phone. Let's go. Number 1 is the one most people overlook because it sounds harmless. Flashlight apps. Here is why this one matters so much. A flashlight needs one thing: access to your LED. That is it. Open any free flashlight app's permissions: microphone, contacts, location, camera roll. A flashlight does not need any of that. If a flashlight app is asking for your microphone, that is not a feature. That is the product. You are the product. Android fix. Open Settings, tap Apps, find your flashlight app, tap Permissions. If it has microphone, location, contacts, or files, uninstall it right now. iPhone, Settings, Apps, your flashlight app. Check the same permissions. Every phone has a flashlight in the control panel. Swipe down, tap the icon. Done. That was the easy one. Number 2 is where most people get fooled. Free VPN apps. Here is the thing. A VPN reroutes every piece of internet traffic on your phone through someone else's server. When the VPN is free, your traffic is paying for that server. Federal cybersecurity guidance has repeatedly warned that free VPN apps route user traffic through servers in countries with no data protection laws. You think you are hiding your activity? You are actually broadcasting it to a server you do not own in a country you cannot name, run by a company you cannot verify. Android fix. Open the Play Store, tap your VPN app. Scroll down to Data Safety. Read it. If it says data shared with third parties, that is your answer. Delete it today. iPhone, Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Look for any VPN profile you don't recognize. Tap it. Remove it. One toggle. Physical barrier between your phone and a server you cannot name. Done. Before I show you the third app, I put together a completely free guide called the Mobile Privacy Shield. Every silent data leak big tech counts on, you never finding. Android and iPhone. 10 minutes, top to bottom, and your data is yours again. It's free. Grab it from the description. But the third one is the one I want you to take seriously. Cleaner apps, booster apps, phone optimizers, anything that promises to speed up your phone or free up RAM. Here is what you need to understand. Your phone does not need a third-party app to clear cache. Android has had that built in since 2018. iPhone never needed it. These apps exist for one reason: to get system-level permissions on your device. Once they have those permissions, they can read every notification that pops up on your phone. The malware does not have to break into your phone. You invited it in when you tapped Install. Right now, while you are watching this, if you have a cleaner app installed, it is watching every notification on your phone. The text from your bank, the verification code from your email, the login alert from your credit card. All of it. Live. You never felt a thing. Android fix. Open Settings, tap Apps, click on 3 dots and tap Special Access. Tap Appear on top. Then back out and tap Notification Access. Look at both lists. If you see a cleaner app, a booster app, or anything you do not personally recognize, revoke it right now and uninstall the app. Cleaner app gone. Notification access locked. Your 2FA codes are yours again. Remember the setting I promised at the start? Here it is. Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager, Microphone. Sort by Allowed all the time. Anything on that list that is not your phone app, your messaging app, or a voice recorder, revoke it right now. iPhone, Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Same logic. Anything you do not recognize, toggle it off. 3 apps deleted. 1 permission tightened. Your phone just stopped listening to half the internet. Drop a comment below and tell me which of the 3 you actually had installed. Flashlight, VPN, Cleaner. I want to know which one catches the most people. But here's the thing. Even after you delete these 3 apps, you are still deleting apps wrong. The icon disappears. You assume the app is gone. It is not. Still on your phone, still holding your data. Click the video on your screen right now. I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you uninstall an app the normal way and the 2-step process that actually wipes it from your phone for good. Click right there, make sure you are subscribed to the Software Navigator, and I will see you in that video.